Hey Queens, I am back with another video. In this video, I will be decorating my mini happy planner. If that is something that you are interested in, please stay tuned. Alright guys, so let's jump into this video. I will be decorating the last week of February, and it still will be on the theme of Valentine's Day, but not exactly Valentine's Day. So this week I decided to do a couples thing, and right here I'm just showing you how I printed out a little dashboard so I can plan out my weeks. I don't know if that is something that you all do when you're planning your spreads or what, but I thought that would be something neat, you know, if I'm out or at work with my planner and I think of something that I want to plan for that week. So I did it two-sided, that way I can do for 2 months. So this week I am going with a couples thing, and this one is called the Love Potion, and I decided to use some reds and yellows and a denim. My red and yellows look good together, but then I found this couple with the denim and the red, so I decided that I wanted to go with this couple right here. And yeah, let's see what I come up with. If you guys are new, thank you for stopping by and checking out this video. I really appreciate you. I hope that you consider hitting that like and subscribe button. And also don't forget to hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I upload content. And drop me a comment and let me know that you are new to the family. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. I really appreciate all the support that you all have been showing me and all the love, y'all. I cannot thank you all enough. So we are going to go ahead and get started with this pretty lady and this boy, y'all. And I thought it was so fun that she is on his back, y'all. And that is something that I just want to do with my man when I get me a man, y'all. But yes, and this went perfect. I thought it was going to be too big, but I really actually like how it's covering majority of this page. It's so gorgeous to me, y'all. So here I am. I'm just going to take off a few stickers and put it on my wax paper, you know, just to see what I want to use. But as always, I like to go in with my boxes after I place my first sticker down, just so I can kind of get a feel of how I want to decorate this spread. So I'm going in with my blue, with my yellows and my reds, because I just want to do the most with this. And in my mind, this spread is gonna be like lit. It's gonna be too lit, but yeah, we're gonna see what I come up with. And here I am pulling off my sticker, and that's why I named this the Love Potion, because that is the only wording that I actually put on this set was Love Potion. So we're gonna call in a little bit of love over here with this spread, y'all. So here I am. I'm gonna grab another size box for the blue to go on this spread. And just like that, that was the perfect square that I needed for this spread, y'all. Y'all know me, I'm trying to put it down nice and neat, even though it is slanted. So now I'm just going to go back and figure out where I want to put this Love Potion. I really liked it covering this box right here at the bottom. It's not doing too much, and it's not covering the girl's little cap or her hair. But I think this is something different. This is my first time trying to put wording on top of one of my boxes, and I really like it. I'm really digging it. So as I am looking at these pictures, I'm just noticing that these pictures are kind of too big for my mini spread on what I want to do, on how I normally decorate my spread. So here I am just whiting out that Sunday through Saturday that's on the side there. And I'm just going to put my little box here for the word of the week. You know, I always got to add that in every week. And then I'm just going to go in and I'm just going to place down my little accents that I want to put on here. My little bullet points going to go here. And then I'm going to add my boxes to this spread as well. But I just wanted to start off with the bullet points. That way I can kind of do something different. All right, so here, y'all, my camera literally stopped recording. I was using my iPad and it stopped recording. I think I ran out of storage or something. So when I noticed it, I had already had all of my boxes down, but I didn't get too far into this spread, just in case you are wondering if you missed something. But no, my camera just stopped recording. So what I did, I always print out a mini set of stickers when I print out the big set, because I know sometimes I like to add the smaller stickers to my mini happy planner just in case I need the smaller ones. And this one worked out very well, so I can add these smaller stickers to this spread, because I was really digging those skates, those yellow and red skates that I really wanted to put on here. And I wanted to put a lot of the red and yellow on this spread because that was my initial thing when I first created this kit. I just wanted to go with the red and the yellows, but then I ended up finding and adding in the denim because I had the lady and a guy with the denim on. So I just went ahead and went with that. So here I am just adding just random stickers, y'all. I'm just pulling off and just going with the flow. And I don't know if y'all feel the same way I do, but as this is coming along, I am really loving it. And I think it's the colors that I really love together, y'all. I never did a spread with these three colors, and I'm really digging it. I really am. And I always say that this is one of my favorite spreads, but this one is, yes, it's up there on that list of my favorite spreads. You know, once I finished it, it was like, oh my God, I like it. I love it. Let me know down in the comment what you think so far. So here I am. I'm just trying to decide on what I want to put down. I know I want to put more stickers down the side of it, but I'm trying to decide what I want to use because I just want to use like as much as I can without it looking so crazy. So I decided to pull this one out and I placed it right there. But then I changed my mind because it looks kind of crazy the way the spacing is for the other two stickers. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to pick that one up and kind of adjust it and, you know, just do something different with it. And I put off this little cute little envelope that says love on it. And I just decided to put it over here. And then I just have to do a little bit of adjusting of my stickers on this side. Because I didn't want them to be too close together. Now that looks a whole lot better. Just get the spacing evened out. Oh, and I am loving these denim hearts, y'all. I wish I would have put more on this spread because they are so freaking cute. I'm just in love with them. So here I am. I'm thinking on what I want to do next, y'all. And it's like, I want to stop right here and, you know, just call it quits because I think I love where I'm at right now. So here I am. I have to go in and add my wording just to see if I am kind of complete or if I want to keep on going. So when I add my wording, I feel like this is what makes my spreads complete, and it also lets me know if I want to go a little bit farther. And here I am again, y'all. my camera just kept stopping, y'all, but I was determined to get through. I was determined to get through this spread and keep it recording, y'all. I just had to do what I had to do with my iPad and delete some of the apps on here, but I just ended up buying more storage so I can get this video recorded, because listen, I'm just in love with this, and I just wanted y'all to see the end results of this here spread. I am so excited for February, y'all. I really used my creativeness to do what I need to do with these spreads, and it made it do what it do, y'all. I really did. I must pat myself on the back. I'm gonna toot my own horn. I don't know how y'all feel about it, but when I say me creating my own sticker kits and then using it on these spreads, y'all, I've never been able to do that. Like, I've tried so hard to make them look worth something, and when I tell you this year my creative juices is flowing, and I just go with it, y'all. I don't overthink it like I used to, and that's probably one of my issues too. I was overthinking everything, and I'm just doing me, I guess, y'all. Just let me know what y'all think. Let me know what y'all think so far. And this kit is on my Etsy store. I will have the link down in the description, and you guys can go over there and get this and create what you feel like you want to create. And for the other sticker set with the just red and the yellow, I am going to do a video of that as well, but I'm going to use that in my horizontal planner and see what it looks like, and hopefully I like it. I'm not sure how that's going to work out, but we're going to try it. But I am really loving this spread, y'all. Look at it. The yellow and reds came out so freaking cute. Then I just added that denim girl in there. She just like, yeah. They look so happy, y'all. Relationship goals or no. And as y'all can see, I apparently haven't did enough to this spread. In my mind, I want to add something else, but it's like I have stickers everywhere all over here, but I'm still trying to add in some stuff, y'all. This is just me being overly dramatic. Just trying to do me. But yeah, let me know down in the comment what you guys think. If you have not already, I hope by the end of this video that you consider hitting that subscribe button. Hit that like button. Leave me a thumbs up, guys, because that will let me know that you are liking the content and that you want to see me do more. And leave me a comment as well. Y'all got to keep me in this algorithm for YouTube. So more people can see what I am creating, so we can grow my community. I am wanting to get my subscribers up at least 5,000 by the end of the year. That is my goal. And I'm going to need y'all to help me. Share this video too as well to your planner communities. But as you know, as always, Queens, I hope that you enjoyed this video. I really do. I really enjoy creating this spread. And you know, as always, Queens, I want you to be blessed. Bye.